Hey guys, I'm Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today let's make no-bake Oreo cheesecake. This cheesecake requires only 5 ingredients and you can find all of these ingredients in your local grocery store. Guys, you guys need to mix all the ingredients and you need to set in the refrigerator and it's done. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. First what we'll do, we'll line our rings. So I am taking this 8-inch ring and this base, and I am taking this clean wrap. Guys, if you don't have clean wrap, you can use foil paper also. I'll show you how to cover your tin. So what we'll do, place this and I'll coat the second layer. If you are using foil paper, you don't need to coat second layer. One layer is enough. So next what we'll do, we'll grease the sides from melted butter. Just see, just a little, not too much. I'll keep this aside. And now, actually we have to use acetate sheet, but I don't have acetate sheet, so I am using this OHB sheets. If you don't have OHB, you can use normal butter paper. So what I'll do, I'll place the OHB sheets like this. So guys, our base is ready. So let's make the base of the cheesecake. I have taken this crushed Oreos, and what next I'll do, I'll mix the melted butter into the Oreos. I'll properly mix this. It's properly mixed. So what next I'll do, I'll create the base. We don't need all this. I'm saving this for the topping. You can use the glass also. So what we'll do, we'll freeze this tart for about 1 or 2 hours. So guys, while our base is getting freezed, what we'll do, we'll make a filling. So first I'm taking this bowl. First I'll add my cream cheese. Then what will I do next? I'll add the icing sugar. And I have this beater. So all the icing sugar is mixed properly. So next what will I do? I'll add my whipping cream into the mix. First we'll need to mix this with spatula, and then we'll use the mixer. At last, what will I do? I have this crushed Oreos, so I'll mix. So our filling is ready. So we need to pour this filling into the base. So guys, our base is totally chilled. So I will pour my filling into the base. We need to level this. So we'll chill this cheesecake for about overnight, and then we'll decorate our cheesecake. Our cheesecake is ready, you can see. So I'll demold my cheesecake. I hope you guys have loved the video, and if you like the recipe, please let me know in my comment section box. And guys, do try out this recipe in your own version, and you can send your pictures to me on my Instagram account. Links are given in the description box. And guys, yes, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So guys, stay tuned for more. I will see you on my next video.